never take doubt as a lesson. I never say.
So hey, what is up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another vlog of Shom's Lifestyle. This is the third video I'm shooting in a day and we will shoot this Dark Edition Tata Harrier today. And firstly, I would like to thank Tata Motors India for inviting me in the launch day of this brand new 4 Dark Edition cars. Let's switch to the B-rolls and then we'll talk what we have in this car and price भी discuss कर लेंगे कि क्या extra देना है आप लोगों को and what are all the variants you can get and what is the on-road prices. ठीक है, let's start this video.
Effects. Yeah. I never take doubt as a lesson. I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. I got my mind blind to rejection, so I'll be just fine. Don't be wasting any time with discretion. I run this campaign like I'm running an election. I pop this champagne like we're not in a recession. I feel no damn pain. Ibuprofen is a blessing. Feel it pumping through my veins. Got me feeling like I'm flexing, yeah. I'm in motion, I'm obsessive like the ocean, I'm relentless. No promotion, still progressing, overdosing on these lessons. And these words my only weapon, cut you deep, oh yeah, I threaten. Feel the heat and all the tension, need relief from this whole session. But I keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it, every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed, on this grind you're always stressed. So I work harder than the rest, that always said to do my best.
I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. So watch me.
Start from the front of the Harrier Dark Edition. You get the full blacked out grille right over here. नीचे जो skid plate है वो भी आपका black किया गया है and you get a HID setup in the projectors. इधर पे you get the high beam, इधर पे you get the DRL and this is the fog light of the car. And इधर पे you get not a matrix but a normal indicator. In the side, Harrier gets the 18-inch alloy in the gunmetal grey finish. The tire size is 235/60 or 18 inches. ठीक है, like it's huge. ठीक है, and side पे you get the body cladding right over here, dark cut badging. You get the LED indicators in the ORVMs. ठीक है, and you get passive entry in both the sides. ठीक है, दोनों दरवाजे पे आपको passive entry देखने को मिल जाएगा. The glass area is huge. ठीक है, like I am a little guy and for me the glass area मतलब जो कार है ये पूरा huge है. इधर पे you get the ORVM controls, power window controls right over here, piano black finish in the door handle, chrome finish in the door lock and unlock handle. And you get to see आराम से you can fit 2 1 लीटर के bottles. इधर पे you get the safety light. ठीक है, and अंदर की तरफ अगर हम आते हैं तो you get electric adjustments for the seats, lumbar support and height adjustment आगे पीछे and everything in the electric adjustments. ठीक है, इधर पे you get the piano black finish with the chrome inserts. इधर पे you get the start stop system and इधर you get this type of finish in the interior, all over the interior. Coming to the rear portion, this building you can see everything is in black. इधर पे you get the Harrier badging. इधर पे you get the spoiler right over here, defogger, back wiper, washer, everything is available in this car. Harrier written in matte black. ठीक है, you get white lights along with a parking camera, rear parking camera right over here. पीछे के tail lights आप देख सकते हो, all LED setup. ये indicator is the halogen one. You get the LED strobe light right over here with the black finish. पीछे का पूरा जो सेक्शन है everything is finished in black. पीछे का जो rear diffuser है everything is in black. You get fake exhaust tip right over here and fake also right over here. You get the original exhaust tip under the car. ठीक है, parking sensors all over the place. डिक्की में एक बार खोल के दिखाता हूँ आपको. इधर पे you get the button to open the boot. Boot carrying capacity is huge. You get a subwoofer JBL का right over here. You get the partial tray. This is big partial tray man. And इधर पे you get the first aid kit. इधर पे you get a light. ठीक है, and इधर पे you get nothing actually. And under this you get the jack stand. ठीक है, and Stepney is a space saver mounted right over here. You get dual blade wipers at the front and a huge panoramic roof with a shark fin antenna in the top. ठीक है, अंदर की तरफ हम लोग चलेंगे तो इधर पे you can see the half analog half digital speedometer with the RPM meter right over there. इंडिकेटर मैं बंद कर दूंगा. इधर पे you get the cruise control settings. इधर पे you get the infotainment settings. There is a round steering wheel. This is not a flat bottom steering wheel and the steering is huge. And इधर पे you get a piano black touch. ठीक है. इधर पे डैशबोर्ड के साइड में you get a chrome inserts and जो MID है that is very useful. इधर पे you get the start stop button. इधर पे storage space available नहीं है. इधर पे you get the 9-inch infotainment system. This is not of Harman, but it's nice to use. It is all piano black touch here, and इधर पे you get the music system controls. इधर पे you get the volume control. इधर पे to turn it on or off. इधर पे to जो change करना होता है and everything. And इधर पे you get the front fog light and rear fog light button. It's the eco mode and this is the sport mode button. And the air conditioning system is as same as Nexon. Climate control air conditioning system. इधर पे you get the hill climb assist. इधर पे traction control on off and इधर पे you get the mode selector like sand, dirt or snow. इधर पे you get the 6-speed manual gearbox. इधर पे you get the handbrake. Like the handbrake, it's super sick. ठीक है, it comes down like that and engages like this. ठीक है, auto dimming inside rear view mirror, white lights, all the sunroof controls right over here. ठीक है, the sunroof is massive. It's to close the blinds. Like see, the blinds is coming. You can मतलब आप जितना चाहे उतना खोल सकते हो. One touch down भी है and one touch open भी है. ठीक है, this is for the moonroof and these controls are for the sunroof. ठीक है, and इधर पे you get a mirror like this along with lights. And इधर पे you get nothing. This is sad part of the car. And इधर पे you get the glove box with a light. With it's a huge glove box and it's a cool one as well. Airbags everywhere. The roof is finished in black and you get a massive panoramic roof. And in the rear you get an armrest along with 60-40 split seat with 2 adjustable headrests. And there are the Isofix child seat mounts. इधर पे यू गेट द आर्मरेस्ट. ठीक है, नीचे की तरफ आपको नॉर्मल से स्टोरेज देखने को मिलेगा. 12 वोल्ट का चार्जिंग सॉकेट, 2 USB चार्जिंग सॉकेट्स एंड आपको USB चार्जिंग सॉकेट इधर पे भी मिलेगा विद स्टोरेज स्पेस राइट ओवर हियर. दिस देयर इज अ 2 कप होल्डर स्टोरेज स्पेस. ठीक है, इधर पे भी आप फोन वोन रख सकते हो अगर हैंडबैग का आपका यूज़ नहीं है तो. सीट इज सुपर नाइस. ठीक है, इधर पे डार्क का पैचिंग नहीं मिलता है. ठीक है, एंड द सीट का स्टिचिंग एंड ऑल द फिनिश देख लो. फुल बकेट सीट्स है. लेट्स गो टू द रियर पोर्शन ऑफ द कार एंड दिस सिस्टम इज़ वेरी स्लीक टू यूज़. ठीक है, एज यू गाइज कैन सी. आई गेस द साउंड क्वालिटी इज़ नाइस एनफ. आई कांट प्ले द ऑडियो बिकॉज आई एम इन अ शोरूम राइट नाउ. Came to the rear portion of the car and you can see the leg space. ठीक है, the driver seat is arranged according to my leg space and इधर पे you get the AC vents in the B pillar. ठीक है, you magazine holders and पीछे का जो view है भाई साहब वो अलग ही है. You get one touch lights, white lights right over here, reading lights. ठीक है, all over the place. In the rear section you also get ample storage in the door. ठीक है, the doors are huge. So now it's the time for pricing. Harrier का 3 वेरिएंट्स आपको डार्क एडिशन में मिल जाएगा. दैट इज़ द Harrier XZ Plus डार्क एडिशन. ठीक है, जो कि एक्स शोरूम प्राइस है जिसका 19,89,400 रुपीज़. ऑन रोड विथ 5 years रजिस्ट्रेशन प्राइस पड़ जाएगा आपका 22,21,287 रुपीज़ एंड विथ लाइफ टाइम रोड टैक्स आपका पड़ जाएगा 23,10,810 रुपीज़. Harrier XZ A Plus डार्क एडिशन दैट इज़ आपका पड़ जाएगा 21,99,400 रुपीज़ एक्स शोरूम एंड ऑन रोड विथ 5 years रजिस्ट्रेशन दैट विल बी 23,52,789 रुपीज़. ऑन रोड प्राइस विथ लाइफ टाइम टैक्स इट विल बी 24,47,712 रुपीज़. Harrier XT Plus डार्क एडिशन विल बी 18,04,400 रुपीज़ एक्स शोरूम एंड विथ 5 years रोड टैक्स इट विल बी 20,18,555 rupees and on-road price with 15 years registration that is lifetime tax it will be 20,99,753 rupees. So ठीक है भाई, this was it for the Harrier. If you guys enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on, follow me on Instagram @invalid.username 404. As always, I'm at the end of today's video. I look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye bye.
I was stealing. Yo, you say that I've changed, but you've changed. All this pain in my veins.